Let's continue with the same chapter, constructions. We'll move to part 3. Same section, 6.2, basic constructions. In the last video, we drew a few basic constructions, that is angle bisector and perpendicular bisector, and discuss further the need for the same. In this video, we will draw 60 degree and 90 degree angles through geometric constructions. In the later parts, I will also explain what is the need for constructing using compass only, the 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So angle of 60 degrees we are going to draw. I'll go a little fast only. So from point A, we have to draw steps with A as center, any radius, draw a quarter of circle with one end intersecting the ray AB at D. With D as center and same radius as in 1, draw an arc intersecting the quarter of a circle at E. So AD equal to DE. So automatically AE also will be equal. Draw a ray AC passing through E. Drawn it, correct? So it's a single, from A we have drawn a semicircle, the quarter of a circle. So that means same radius is AD and AE both are same. With the same radius we drew an arc E, so DE is also equal. So let us see in the next page how we are proving. So this is point C I have marked. So now let us check whether angle CAB is only 60 degrees. Join DE. EAD is an equilateral triangle, as I have already told in the last page. AD and AE are same radii of the same arc, and DE is actually the same radius we have drawn an arc. So all three are same arcs of equal radii. Therefore, EAD is an equilateral triangle. Put the dash. Therefore, angle CAB within bracket EAD, because we want CAB, but we have proved EAD as an equilateral triangle, which is equal to 60 degrees. I am marking 60 degrees also. So thus we have proved angle CAB equal to 60 degrees. So very simple, 3 steps of drawing and only one proof, that is only equilateral triangle we have proved, and we are able to construct the 60 degree angle. Now we will see 90 degree angle. This is method 1. There are 2 methods. This method is better than method 2. Method 2 we will discuss in the next part. But this method 1 will be used for constructing other angles also. And this method is an extension to construction of 60 degrees. So method 1 is more important. So that we will discuss in detail in this part. Method 2 we will discuss in the next part. Angle of 90 degrees. Same. I am going a little fast with the A. This is now almost a semicircle, not a full semicircle, with one end intersecting at C. With the C as center, same radius. Now we are not changing the compass distance between needle and pencil, don't change. So first we have drawn a semicircle, marked C. From C we will mark a curve, mark an arc D. Let's go to the next page. If you have doubt, pause the video, draw the diagram, and then go to the next page. Now with D as center again, one more arc E. So now we have seen AC, AD, AE, all three are equal. So I am sure now CD and DE are also equal. So I am sure all of you would have got it by now what we are trying to do. I am passing for a moment. Excellent. Yes, we are making multiple equilateral triangles to make 60 degrees. So with the D and C as E as centers and radius greater than half D. Now we can change the compass distance, but should be more than half the distance between D and E. Can be same arc also, no problem, same radius also. So now they are intersecting at F. Draw rays from A through D and E. So 2 rays I have drawn. And then draw a ray from A through F, which is the bisector of angle EAD. Let us see how in the next page. So let us check whether angle FAB equal to 90 degrees. So we are now making equilateral triangles, C and D, D and D. So we have got 2 equilateral triangles. Therefore angle DAC equal to 60 degrees, because DAC is an equilateral triangle. Similarly EAD, I am going fast only, all of you hope understand very well. Now we have taken a bisector hope you understand the bisector first we saw in the last part. So angle FAD equal to 60 degrees divided by 2 equal to 30 degrees, because FA is angle bisector of EAD. Therefore, angle FAB, that is what ultimately we want, equal to FAD plus angle DAB. DAB is nothing but DAC, equal to 30 plus 60 equal to 90. 30, 60. So we have got 90 degrees, thus proved angle FAB equal to 90 degrees. I hope all of you understand. The last page we have some last 2 pages, 3 or 4 steps, 4 5 steps were there, simple steps. Now in this page, in one page we have proved. So it's all very easy. We have used only one proof, that is equilateral triangle, to prove 60 plus 30 equal to 90 degrees. Pause the video, note down all the points and then move forward, because this method is very important. So in this video we constructed 60 and 90 degree angles through geometric constructions. Next video we will see 90 degree angle as well as method 2 90 degree angle, as well as discuss textbook exercises. During that I will also explain what is the reason for drawing 60 and 90 degrees through geometric constructions instead of using protractor. No questions? Pause the video, note down all the points and then move forward. Thank you.